Alright, Sandy Camp here, and today we're going to try something I never tried before. We're going to dry bake or steam bake. We're going to try both muffins or cupcakes. Okay, so I tucked in a couple of these, just the corners, to make it look like a cupcake holder. Put a little bit of oil in it. And I'm going to use those pots, one with water and one without. And so I'm going to try to find some small rocks for this one so it doesn't go dry in the bottom. Let's see how it works out. Okay, so we pour some muffin mix or cupcake mix into this one. This pot, I think we'll leave it dry. Just put this on top. I think we have visitors now. Someone's coming.
Hello, only Jacob.
Okay, so now I put this with a little bit of water, so you can see, and I don't have a lid for this one, so we're going to use foil. I think this is done. Ooh, let's try it. Yay! Very good. So I guess the steamed cupcake took about 20 minutes. This is still going, and it's probably been around an hour, I think. For this one, I'm putting like a piece of stick. For this one, I'm putting some heat on the top, trying with a tablet, and then some wood from underneath. See if we can get a nice crust. Let's try to get some crust. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Okay, it's done. Looks better than the other one. Perfect.